action needed. Come and I don't know what that means. Dismiss. Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you all are having a wonderful and a blessed and productive week. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a behind the scenes look at some of the new arrivals that just came in. Some of the things that you may have seen on the website this week were more of the items that we have to offer you being showcased. So I'm trying to post more often, and just bear with me as I begin to use this new system to share with you all of the different items that we have in stock. So with that being said, hello, welcome. This is going to be a very short and brief video. I'm going to unbox some sets that just came in. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me during this live. If you watch this on a replay, then see, it's saying that it needs some actions from me. I don't know what that means. Create another event. I don't want another event. Okay. So if you watch this video on playback, you can always leave comments in the comment section below, or you can send me an email, reach out to me. You can find out the email address on the contact us page here on the Finest Wine Boutique Facebook page. Also, I want to invite you all over to join us on TikTok as well as on Instagram. All of the posts are not the same across platforms because TikTok is just a whole nother world that I'm learning how to use. It's more like fun as opposed to just like coming on and talking and sharing information. You have to sort of act a little silly, which is totally not my personality, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's get into this unboxing. And it is a big box, so I'm going to have to pull this up a little bit so that you can see. Hopefully I don't lose you. It is live, so bear with me. And if you're interested in this two-piece set that I have on, I don't have it on the website, but it is a two-piece pants set. Let me see. I have to push this back so you can see. And it's a capri. It's a capri set where the pants come down to your calves. I'm gonna step back a little bit so maybe you can see. But this is a really nice outfit. You can see it has a lot of spandex in it. It's stretchy, but it also is figure flattering. So it has the slits in the sides. It's light and airy. It has the elastic waistband, and it is form flattering as well. But the back covers your bum. So I have these available in large up to, I believe, a 2X. So if you're interested in this outfit, leave me a message below. So let me get out my handy dandy tool that I use to get into these boxes. But this is a new arrival. You've probably already seen this set advertised on the website. The first time I put it on the site was on Mother's Day. So this is that two-piece pants set. It could be considered loungewear because it's very, very comfortable, and it comes in a lot of different colors. So let's see what colors we have today. I have another shipment that came in. If I have time, I will go over that as well. So it looks like we have just two colors in. It looks like we have the mauve. This is like a mauve color. It looks like we have the mauve that came in. And, oh, no, we have three colors. And this denim blue that came in. And this beautiful, it looks like a mango, like an orange. It's a really beautiful bright color, but I'm going to open it up so you can see it. Okay, what I have here is small, medium, and large, but you can order them on the site all the way up to a 3X. Again, these are two-piece sets. They come with the top and the bottom. Almost a set like what I have on, but it's just, instead of it being the print, it's a solid color. So let's see. I'm going to open up a small right here, just so you can see the quality of it. And if you have any questions, you can ask me about the products. I'm going to try to come on every week and showcase at least one of the items that are being offered on the site. So today's is the two-piece set. This is the t-shirt. This is like a round neck t-shirt. It's short sleeve. It's really soft. It's very soft. And let me move this back a little bit so you can see. I'm actually gonna do a photo shoot with hubby this weekend so you can see it, but you can see how this comes. It's a really long t-shirt, so it's going to cover you just like this shirt that I have on. It's going to cover your bottom. So it's a legging set. It's a two-piece legging set. It has a lot of stretch to it, very soft to the touch. And let's look at the makeup. It's 92% polyester and 8% spandex, which means it has a lot of stretch. A lot of stretch. So this is a small, and this is in that, I think it's a mango color. I have to look at the package slip to see. This is orange. I hope you can see it true to color. Let me try to come up as close as possible so you can see the color. But this is the top. It's a two-piece legging set. Again, we're going to have them small, medium, and large, all the way up to 3X. It's a legging set. It has the elastic around the waist. This is a small. So depending on how you want your outfit to fit, I would say that they're true to size. This is small. See, I couldn't wear small. I have to wear a large. This is a small. Okay. But this is pretty. And this is something that's good for, like, if you're traveling, going on vacation, or if you're running errands. This is a really nice outfit to have. So that's the mango color. Orange. It's like a really pretty orange. Now let's take a look at the blue. And this on the site is called Denim Blue. I'm going to check to make sure I'm giving you the right color for that orange. I believe they call it mango. And here in Florida, it is definitely mango season. My mango tree is blooming. I think we're gonna have plenty of fresh fruit. And what I'm opening right now is the two-piece legging set in Denim Blue. It comes in a pack. It has the t-shirt. Has a lot of stretch in it, 8% spandex. It's really light and airy, perfect for the spring. So you can get them in multiple colors. So this is the top. Short sleeved. It does come down to your thigh area there, so it's going to cover up your bum. It comes in two pieces, the top along with the bottoms, which are leggings. It fits true to size. It's really soft and comfortable in your skin. It's very light and airy, so it's going to be a breathable and cool outfit to wear. So that's the Denim Blue. Alright, and the next one we have here, I call it mauve, but on the website it's called something else. I'm pretty sure it's a dusty rose. But I'll put the description of the exact color below. This is a pretty popular color. It's a pretty fun color, pretty happy color. If you like pink, but you don't like the hot pinks, this is nice. So I would call this a mauve, but I believe it's described as a dusty rose. So again, they come in a pack like this. It's a two-piece legging set. Comes with the top and the pants. So let's take this out so you can get a look at this. I'm going to come on it once a week and show you one item. If there's something that you want to see that's on the site, let me know and I'll schedule that for something that I show you on a live video. This is the top, front and back. Really soft to your skin. Light and airy. Has plenty of stretch. 8% spandex. That's a lot of stretch. So that's the top. And that beautiful dusty rose color. And this is the bottom, which is the legging. It's elastic around the waist. Elastic around the waist. Let's see. There we go. So look at that stretch. So these are going to be very comfortable. You can dress these up with some heels, or you can dress them down with some sandals or some sneakers. Depending on where you live, what you call them, tennis shoes. I'm from Maryland, so we say tennis shoes. If you're from maybe New York, you would say sneakers. So that's something I would like to know in the comments. Let me know where you're from. And do you all say sneakers, tennis shoes, or what do you call them? But either way, with these legging sets, you can dress them up or you can dress them down. If you accessorize them with a nice necklace, that would be nice. If you wanted to throw in a belt with it to snatch in your waist, you could do that. Again, this is the Dusty Rose. And this is the Denim Blue. Really pretty colors. This is the Denim Blue. Top and leggings. And this is a beautiful, beautiful one. This looks really good on any complexion, especially on our beautiful brown, tan, melanated skin. This is a really popular medium and large, and then we also have this set in the plus sizes. So that is all for today. I will try to come on once a week and show you something from the boutique. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.